With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello everyone. So the question is, why does thermionic emission not take place in non-conductors? Now thermionic emission is basically the emission of electron because of the heat. Now thermionic emission does not take place in non-conductor. We can explain it by the energy level diagram of conductor, semiconductor and non-conductor. So the energy level diagram, I will draw energy level diagram. Okay, so in conductors the valence band and conduction band are look like this. Okay, suppose this is the conduction band and the valence band is overlapping the, this is the valence band and this valence band, this is conduction band. Okay, conduction band. Okay, now this is the valence band in which our free electrons are in valence band. This is valence band. Now as you can see that in conductors there is no energy gap between the valence band and the conduction band. As you can see that energy gap is zero in conductors. This is the energy level diagram of conductors, and in conductors there is no energy gap between the valence band and the conduction band. That means when we heat these conductors, the free electrons are easily emit from valence band to the conduction band because the energy gap is zero. Okay, so when we increase the temperature or when we giving heat to the conductors, the free electrons are having the enough energy to jump from valence band to conduction band. So this is the energy level diagram of conductors. Now similarly the energy level diagram of semiconductor, if I draw the same energy level diagram of semiconductors, in semiconductors suppose this is the conduction band. Now the valence band is look like this. In semiconductors there is a small energy gap. There is a small energy gap of almost 1.1 electron volt. So this is a small energy gap between the valence band and conduction band. So if I give the heat or energy to this semiconductor, then the free electrons in valence band are easily emit from valence band to conduction band because the gap between these two bands are like very small. 1.1 electron volt is very small gap between the conduction band and valence band. So electrons can easily emit from valence band to conduction band. So this is the energy level diagram of semiconductor. Now in non-conductors, if I draw energy level diagram for non-conductors, now in non-conductors there is a huge energy gap between the valence band and conduction band. This is conduction band and this is valence band, and there is a huge energy gap. This energy gap is almost equal to 3 electron volt or more than 3 electron volt. So that means this energy gap is very huge. That means if we give energy or heat to the valence band, if we heat the conductors, if we giving heat to the non-conductors, then this energy gap is so huge, so high that the electrons can't get enough energy to emit from valence band to conduction band. Electrons are not getting the enough energy to emit from valence band to conduction band, and this is the reason that thermionic emission not take place in non-conductors because the energy gap between the valence band and conduction band is very high, very huge, so that when we giving the heat to the non-conductors, then the electrons in valence band didn't get enough energy to emit from this band to this band. So this is the energy level diagram of non-conductor, and this is the reason that non-conductors are not showing any thermionic emission. Okay, I hope you understand. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.